What up? It's Sketchy Jesse. Just driving out to get my new engine. It's a Gen 3 5.3, 350 bucks, about an hour 20 out. Hopefully it's not blown up. So next day, got out of the truck. Looks a little gunky, but I'm gonna clean it up. Came with some spare stuff. Pretty neat. So I'm gonna spray it. Guess better open that up. Let it soak. Then scrub it off. Turned the hose on and it was open. Oh God. Gotcha. So cleaned up all right. I only really care about the block, and the heads. I need the heads. I already have valve covers, valley cover, timing cover. Hopefully it's good. In there, the oil fill, it's pretty gummy. Kind of concerning. Lack of oil changes. We'll clean it up, make it new. Got it on the stand. Also just loaded up these two. That's 4.8. The old 5.3 out of, I guess they were both out of the car. Recent engine. Going to the scrapyard. Garbage. So, same thing as the last video. Pull the pulley off. Had to give it some heat. It was very tight. Seems to be coming loose now. Danger. Look at that. Perfect. Franny's shy, but say hello.
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 Okay.
So we're gonna pop these caps off and check out the bearings. Let me wipe it off. So they don't look so bad, but I don't know, I'll do some research and see what's bad and what's not. But yeah, it's not so bad. Pretty good. So cylinders are still good. They're not scored anywhere or anything. I'm gonna take a close up there. Yeah. It's just gunky. Look at here. Gunky. Ugh. So we sprayed engine degreaser. Yeah, spray it. And we're trying to just clean all the gunk out. It's very thick. But, oh man. We'll get it all cleaned up. Look at how gross this is.
How's it going, guys?
Hi.
We're getting dirty again. So now we're cleaning the motor.
We're scraping off all this.
So we have to scrape off all the gunk. Gross.
Bark, bark.
It looks like chocolate pudding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we sprayed it with this stuff.
Oh. You want it's like a spatula thing?
I'm just using a screwdriver. And then we'll spray some more degreaser and then hose it off, and it should be decent.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's how you rebuild an engine? Has somebody didn't change the oil?
Yep,
Yeah.
that's exactly.
That's the most important thing you can do. Someone told me that once.
Yeah,
Change your oil every 5,000 kilometers.
yep. I still haven't learned that.
Yeah.
Rinsing it off. And then we'll clean it off some more.
I think you should like turn it around so I can go inside.
Yeah. Yeah, because the hose is extendoed. Okay, yeah, let me bring it closer. A lot of people are going to say, you sprayed your engine with a garden hose. Yes, I did. It's a $300 5.3. Not too concerned about it. But going to paint it up. It's going to be mint. You should pull out your crank position sensor. Okay. So freshly rebuilt 5.3. Not sprayed with a garden hose. $1,000. I know what I got. So not proper. But I'm just gonna give the head surface, whatever, a quick scuff. Because that's how I machine things. And blow out the holes from the garden hose. And then I'll be able to slap the heads on. New head gaskets and head studs. Brand new. All right, head bolts are on, all torqued up. So moving on, moving on. So rocker covers are on, rockers are torqued, valley covers on. Time for the front timing cover to be put on. And that's it. Thanks, lady. All right, now it's time for the adapter plate. The clutch, tranny, starter, all that stuff. Got some accessories on. Homemade idler, water pump, power steering. Got to get a new alternator, so I'm going to leave that off for now. But we're going to put it in. So I kind of did something and I kind of put it together. I was excited, but I'll show you. So it's in. It's all hooked up. I started it already. I'll start it again. I don't have a dipstick tube because it broke. But I could start it up for a minute. That's my fan. There we go. Sounds pretty good. Can't let it get too hot. But yeah, it runs pretty good. Got my oil leak from my dipstick tube. Oops. So yeah, I got my dipstick tube on Wednesday. And then hopefully it's good. I got this alternator from the scrapyard. It's a Duramax alternator, so it's a little better. Hopefully it's good. I don't know. Oh yeah, look at that race car. Well yeah, we'll see tomorrow how it works. So we made it. And we're gonna try it out. Franny's grabbing my jack.
Trying to.
Thank you. See how it goes. So it's still kind of running like poop, but I noticed my battery terminals were kind of loose. So I cut a beer can and I'm gonna put a shim in between, and hopefully that'll help the connections. We'll see.